Ah! Get off me! Alright, now that we... fuck's sake. Right, so now that we have him just roaming around randomly, looking for me. Well, he's not really looking for me at the moment. He seems to be just roaming around, like, patrolling. But we want him to actually look for us. So we're going to have to add... Oh, the next part now. Which is, yeah, we have him hunting us and... Well, basically he's going to run around, see us, then run straight up to us. And then I'll have to... And then eventually add it so he kind of hits us and kills us. So yeah, we'll get started with that. Right, is that even recording? Yeah, it is, yeah. Okay, so like before, I'm going back to Gorka video, the how to make a horror game course, just so we can kind of follow along with what he does, because this is what I did last time and it worked really well. Yeah, so we got the search player, chasing player. So now we need to basically add all the logic to this part here now. And then I used another video from someone else for basically when he detects me to activate the death, whatever it's called. BPAI. And it loads. Pawn sensing. There we are, pawn sensing.
Now let's go ahead and hit enter. As you can see now we can change things. This is the sight radius and the sensor interval and the vision and so on. So let's drop the vision to be around maybe 70 degrees. So
yeah, that is mental at the minute. The vision. Wait, what did you just click on? Ah, here we go, vision angle. 70 degrees.
There's only inside of this. And then we're going to disable here noises.
Disable the what? Oh, why is it playing at 480p now? Oh, hear noises. I kind of want to keep that though, because I like to add the noises into the game later on. So if we like step on something or knock something over, then you can, you know, come running.
And make sure that C pawns is enabled. Only sense players, we're going to be enabling this because we will not have any more AIs in the level, unless you want to have more. In that case, disable that. But we're going to leave it enabled, and then updates should be enabled. So with that said, so you can see now we should be able to see our player. So on C pawn, we're going to be making sure that that's our player. In this case, I'm going to be doing a tag.
So I think we need to go to the event graph now. Right, that was the event graph, isn't it? You just clicked on.
That said, so you can see now we
So
should be able to
compile.
So on C pawn, we're going to be making sure that that's our player. In that case, disable that.
Yeah.
We're going to leave it enabled, and then
Pawn sensor.
updates should be enabled. So with that said, so you can see now we should be able to see our player. So on C pawn, we're going to be making sure that that.
Right, okay. Good job I reverse that on C pawn. Yes, here we go. So now we're going to start the little logic part in the event graph. Yeah, I'll just leave them there for now. Probably not going to use them anytime soon.
That's our player. In this case, I'm going to be doing a tag. So hashtag. Because it's way more.
So we're going to add a tag. Actor has tag. There we go. Hopefully some capitals. Perfect.
Efficient than just casting into our third person. If the casting succeeded, we know it is our player. I think a better option is just to create a tag. So what we can do is go into our third person cat blueprint.
Okay. Right, so compile, save. Oh. I'm actually sat on my living room floor doing this because I haven't actually got a desk yet. That's how fucking basic this setup is. Content. Third person. Blueprints. Third person. So this is us.
Which, you know, we shouldn't rename to first person. So let's do the BP underscore first person. There you go.
So I don't know
So
whether to have it as a first person or
I'm gonna
third
be
person. Let me
changing,
know if
in the class defaults tag, I'm gonna be adding an actor tag.
oh yeah, so now we need to actually add the tag. Right, okay. Actor tag. Right, so
Okay, not for a specific component, it's gonna be an overall. So in the actor one, and it's gonna be used player. Now make sure there's
player. So it'll sense that tag now, basically. Anyway, what are we doing again? Oh yeah, so we just added a tag.
no spaces or whatever. It has to be exact. So now here I can just type player, and again it has to be exact. Okay, make no errors. Make a branch. So if this is true, it means that it is our player. So what we can do is get our AI controller.
Alright, so now we can add the tag because it's sensing the tag now, obviously. So player, and then so we're doing a branch. So this is like the whole where you can branch off and you can have true or false. Yeah, I can't really explain it if I don't really fully understand it, but you kind of get the idea. It's sort of sending signals to other parts of the brain, basically. It's like a big brain stem, this whole fucking thing, basically. We're like creating a brain inside a puppet or a mannequin. So get AI controller next. Right, so just say get AI controller. Control. Oh, fuck off. Get AI there. AI controller. So what are we adding this to now?
Here we go. And now what I can do is get our blackboard.
Alright, so get blackboard. Blackboard. I need a desk because I'm actually starting to get sciatica, I think. We're sitting on the floor staring at the fucking TV. Just sat on a fucking cushion on the floor next to the dog's bed doing this. Oh, excuse me.
And this will be
Right, let's move them down so a bit more neater.
self. So we're getting our AI controller.
Self. Oh, a minute. Am I missing something?
Getting the black. Here we go. And now what I can do is get our blackboard.
Yeah, get the blackboard, done that.
This will be also self. So we're getting our AI.
He goes so quick. That's why I do love this guy, but he goes so fast. Reference to self. There we go. Let's see. I didn't see that last time. I need to. Oh, fuck it. Just leave it on. I've written everything. I've written everything in caps now, so it's gonna have to sense those words I've written in caps. I don't think it really matters too much, but I think I've started something now, so I've got to just carry on with it.
Controller. Getting the blackboard. As I mentioned before, the blackboard is all of our variables that we can use throughout the behavior tree. So let's create a new AI
What's that?
controller.
So
Getting the blackboard. As I mentioned before, the blackboard is all of our variables that we can use throughout the behavior tree.
yeah.
So let's create a new blackboard variable. Let's go into AI.
Right. So okay, then we go back to the AI because yeah, we've done this bit now. Air controller, blackboards, sensing me. Yeah, always press compile, save. So now we've got to go back into Callum over here. So back in content, AI, blah, 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 BT, behavioral tree, big tree, as we called it last time.
BD AI. Let's create a new key, and this will be C.
Oh, what's that? No, sorry. He's gone something else now.
So let's create a new blackboard variable. Let's go into AI.
Ah. Yeah, sorry, 2 secs. BB blackboard, sorry, not. I thought you was going into the big tree one. So now we need to add a new key. I don't understand this bit.
Key, and this will be scene player.
Scene player, right? Boolean, as they call it. Sling. One was so many words. Sleeing player.
By default, it will be false. So now what we're going to do is go back into our AI.
Maybe I. Yeah.
And here it will be set value.
Set value. Value. Let me guess.
As boolean.
Yeah.
So
As a boolean. Because that was the boolean we just made.
there's no accessing of like.
I don't understand it either. It's boolean. Isn't that like gold? Gold boolean. Excuse me. How long's this video already? It's already 15 minutes long. And we've barely done anything. We've started creating this anyway.
Just getting the example, the speed or whatever is universal. So it's any variable there with.
Yeah. Okay.
But here we can pass the name. So we can just make a little name, and here will be
Make little. See, this is basically like a new language. It's but we're gonna follow it. We're gonna do it because we don't know any better. Get little name. Yeah. Same player. Yeah. Okay. So then we're gonna add that to here for some reason. Oh fuck. Oh God. Right. Seeing. Slinging player. Okay. Right. What
again,
next?
the name has to be exactly the same that is in here. Actually, I made a mistake, and it's all joined together. So be careful with that. Make sure to.
Ah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See. Fortunately, every now and then he makes a mistake, so you got to make sure you because the second you get anything wrong, type anything wrong, spell it wrong, it's just like, nope, don't understand that shit. Right, blah, blah, blah. What are we doing now?
Put that there. I think I put that. Okay. So now true here. Put it.
Okay, so true there. Yeah. So the branch now using that what we've done earlier. What's that? Oh, what's that? I just noticed that on branch his is not actually ticked. So just little things like that as well. You miss something. You have to go back through the whole fucking thing again and yeah. Okay.
The boolean will be true because
Boolean.
well, it has seen the player. So that would be great.
Mhm.
We are enabling that variable. There we go. So now let's go into our not true here.
Yeah.
Put this here. The boolean.
I just didn't type something then.
Well, it has seen the player. So that would be great. We are enabling that variable. There we go. So now let's go into our behavior tree. Not true here.
Did he just fucking do something then and I just missed that?
Because, well,
Just sounded like he's like blah, 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 on the keyboard.
We are enabling that variable. There we go. So now let's go into our behavior tree. So let's open this up.
Right. Well, hopefully I didn't miss something then. He just goes so quick. That's something I don't like because I am a slow man. If you hadn't already realised that, I'm sure you have by now. I am a bit of a slow learner. I'm definitely more of a visual learner. You can tell me to do something, but I don't know. Sometimes it just doesn't go in.
Let's add a condition. So what we can do to decide if we go into this part or this part is create a decorator. So I can just go into my search player, right click, add decorator, and it'll be a black part because.
How do what a grater? Oh, degrader. Did you just say blackboard? Yeah. Okay. The degrader. Okay.
We'll be seeing a blackboard variable.
Yeah.
In
Okay.
this case, we're gonna be selecting our key.
Selecting our key. Wait. This looks different to mine. Right. So what? Wait, oh, he's clicked on this part here. Ah. Okay. Right. Yeah.
Which is our variable, and in this case, we'll be seeing player.
Ah. Okay. Yeah. Seeing player. Perfect.
And in this case, will be if it's not set.
Is not set. Is not set. Okay. Perfect.
So if seeing player is false,
Yep.
we'll be able to go here.
Got that.
Now in abort, we're gonna be putting this self.
Oh, fuck me. He just goes so quick. Right. Self. Okay. Yep.
This basically, if this result changes, so this variable changes, we'll go ahead and abort of the self sequence, go up into the selector, and then decide whether we go here or here. In changing player, we're gonna do the same thing, but the opposite. If it's set, so just right click, add the creator of blackboard.
Right, same thing again. Add the greater, degrader. This, and then let me guess the opposite. Yeah, so seeing player.
Make sure it's not self-factor. This is our variable, which is seeing player.
Sure.
And then in this case, it will be is set. And
yeah.
Once again, self, so we can.
Okay, right, yeah. So same basically again, but this time it's going to be is set. And seeing player again. That's right, isn't it? Yep. So last time it was is not set, is set. Right. Sweet.
Later on abort and decide if we go into another one. Alright, so let's create a new task, which will be from our blueprint base and so on.
Oh, a minute. Create new task. Right, so a minute.
This be team player, and then
yep,
this case
okay, done that bit.
And once again, self, so we can later on abort and decide if we go into another one. Alright, so let's create a new task, which will be from our blueprint base and
blueprint base. Sweet. So now I guess be chasing player.
Underscore task.
Et underscore task. And this would be what I guess underscore chasing player.
Underscore no chase player.
Chase player. Okay. Boom.
So let's go ahead and open this function, receive execute AI. So it's like
right, receive execute AI. Alright, I guess this is another part of the brain now we're going to be working on.
Play of our task. And now on here what we can do is just do an AI move 2.
AI move 2. Yep. AI move 2. Let me guess, location actor? Oh no, just AI move 2. I think that's what we did last time. It's basically doing the exact same thing as last time, weren't we? Like we did on the other part, which was roaming around.
Pass our control pawn into the pawn,
and
then target actor. It can just be our get player.
Target actor.
Character. So we'll be following.
Get player character.
Now the destination, if we have a target actor, we can leave it as default. The sentence radius, let's drop it a bit up.
Right, get player actor, yeah. So I need to pause him a second because he's just well, obviously he knows everything about this. We don't. Bless his heart. Acceptance radius. Oh yeah, okay. So this is 12, I believe. Is it 12 or 120?
120 because if not,
fuck! It's 120, isn't it? 120. Right,
get too close to the player, and it's a bit messy. And then on success, gonna just do
oh. Say it again, what's that?
Let's drop it a bit up into 120, because if not, it will get too close to the player, and it's a bit messy.
I want it to get close to the player. That's the thing. That's the whole idea of the like the Garry's mod thing, isn't it? You want him to basically run into him, charge into him. So yeah, I'm going to be tweaking a few little bits here and there. Yeah.
And then on success, I'm gonna just do on I don't even remember how was the other finish execute. Okay, the note. So finish.
Success. Oh, see, it's starting to hurt now. I sat down on the fucking hardwood floor on this shitty little cushion. I need to get a proper little desk. Like I say, I only just got the PC working. On success. So I haven't actually got a proper setup yet. It's literally just the fucking thing's connected to the TV in the front room. I'm sat on the floor next to the dog's bed. I'm repeating myself now, aren't I? Let's just get on with this fucking thing. Right, so finish. Abort execute. Let me guess. Finish execute.
This will be
Yeah.
true.
Finish execute.
And here it will be false.
Oh yeah. So now we need to basically Control C, Control V. So that one's success. This one would be fail. I believe. I remember doing this little bit last time for some reason. I don't remember doing any other shit. So that one's going to be success. Oh, ticked on. That one obviously not, because it's on the fail.
That will be set. Everything should use work. So let's go.
Alright, so compile that.
Back into our behavior tree. On here, we're going to go ahead and drag in our task, which we created.
Right, so back to behavioral tree. The tree. Behavioral tree. Down. Adding our task, which we chase player, I'm assuming. Let's do it anyway and just see if that's right.
You just chase player.
Ah, see, told you.
Every time we can just make a wait of maybe 0.1 second, so it can be a bit smoother and leave a bit of space. So that should work. If not.
Ah, right. So now I think we've got that bit done. Hope to God. Let's just save this in case there's a fucking power cut or something. Play. Fuck. Yeah, it's not worked, is it? Right. We've done something wrong. What's happened? Is it working? Yeah. Okay, so now it's working. Look. Now he actually runs up to me. And starts bumming me. Basically, I figured out what I did wrong back there. I remember earlier... Get off me! Earlier in the video, I was saying about how one of the boxes wasn't ticked on the branch. I zoomed in on this video and it wasn't ticked for some reason, so I thought, oh, just do what he did. Just make sure it's not ticked. So I've ticked the box now. Going through the video. This is on the BPAI pawn sensing. So the pawn sensing, I added the tag going up to the branch. So that wasn't ticked, so I've ticked it now and it seems to be working fine. So he is actually, well, when he, fuck, let me start again. Basically, so when he's roaming around, when he sees us now, he'll actually chase us and begin to sort of bugger us a bit. So yeah, he's just roaming around. I think he's seen us now. Yeah, he's seen us now. So yeah, he's, see now he's got me. And like Mayboy said, he goes, you can change it to 120 for the distance, so he doesn't get so close. But the whole idea of him basically, I want him to get very close and eventually trigger like the death animation that I'm gonna add. Yeah, so that'll be in the next video. Obviously, I think this video is already like fucking half an hour long again. I'll try and cut it down. So yeah, the next video I'm going to do, and so basically when he hits me, I keep saying basically, I've noticed a lot. When he hits me, the character's going to go all ragdoll and just drop to the floor and die. It's going to I'm going to make the screen go red. And then we'll slowly respawn back to the start again. Basically just restarts the whole level again for now. And he'll play a sound. I still want him to add a sound as well for when he's actually like patrolling us, so you can hear him coming for you, sort of thing. Bit like that previous video of you see Michael Jackson chasing the player around. You can hear him going behind you. So I want him to be sort of shouting poo like I did last time, or shouting something. You can let me know if there's any other ideas you fancy him shouting or saying. So basically, so when you don't see him, if he's in another room or behind a structure or something, you just hear him before you see him, sort of thing. So basically, so that's what I want to do in the next video. But at least we've got him chasing us now. So he's sensing us, chasing us, running up to us. And then next video will be him killing us. So yeah, let me know if you want me to carry on with this series or not. But I'm enjoying doing it, and at least I'm showing you guys something as well if you want to give it a go. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video, as they say.